Mateys, it is Matthew here, and we are going to show you how to make another paper airplane. Alright, so what you want to do is fold it corner to corner, right? I'll pause the video. Alright, mate, now once you do that, so once you fold it corner to corner, open it up right again, and then fold it the other way. So we folded it. We folded it like that. Now open it up and fold it like that.
Split.
Mate. Even though this should be real simple, but it's not. Alright, once we got that, mate, so we have this. You wanna fold it corner to corner. My gosh, this is so stressful. My life's been so stressful this year. It's really stressful. Girls dig me. Alright, once you get it corner to corner like this, what you want to do is fold it like, fold half of that. Fold half of it like, can't see, but half of it like this. Once you do that, make sure it's parallel to the other one, okay? And once you do the other side, then once you do the other side, see, you have both sides. It should look like this. Fold it here. Here. I'm not gonna try to do anything tricky, but need something to hold it. Alright. So once you get that, you fold it to the corners, right? Oh shoot. Fold it to the corner like that, right, mate? Hmm? And then with that, mate, you're gonna fold it again, like about half. So it should look like this when you fold it up. Alright? So you wanna fold it, have it like this, and then fold the corner in.
Now, once you find the packages, you should
Like
know what it
that.
is.
And you do that on the other side.
Oh my gosh!
Maybe. You fold it on the other side, right? And then fold it back down. So it should look like that. You're gonna say, why is that helpful?
Take my various
Well,
destroyer.
yeah.
Wait,
Because
I should go this metal venom. Metal venom!
no, like this. So it should look like this once you fold it in half, right? And then you can just make the wings, make sure they don't go all the way to the tip. You still want it. And make sure the wings are like exactly the same. One sec.
You know where it is?
Alright, so now we have that. When you open it up, should look like. Here, it's right above the light. It should look like that. Now what you want to do, if you are satisfied with this, you can. But you want to go up like this and fold it like this. And then do that on the other one. Try to make them as level as possible. Just try. So then it looks like this. And yeah. But thanks for watching that video, and please leave a like and subscribe. Peace.